Donald Trump is facing a big week for at least 2 of his criminal cases, and he could learn whether one is going to continue. In Fulton County, Georgia, a judge is set to rule as soon as this week whether District Attorney Fani Willis will be removed from the case. Willis is prosecuting Trump and others for alleged election subversion, but her personal relationship with a prosecutor she paid hundreds of thousands of dollars in taxpayer money is threatening to unravel her case. A Georgia Senate committee heard last week about how she spent her office's money.
So the county, their position is the county authorizes a budget, and she can pretty much has inherent authority to do it however.
Even though she specifically asked for the money to prosecute backlogged homicide cases in Atlanta.
Yes.
And in Florida, a federal criminal case involving Trump's classified documents will advance this week with a hearing. Judge Eileen Cannon will hear arguments on Thursday about the motions to dismiss the case that Team Trump has filed. The former president's lawyers argue Trump is being selectively prosecuted, and they point to the treatment of President Joe Biden's classified documents case to make their argument. If the judge disqualifies Willis from the Georgia case, that could set off a search for another prosecutor. And if Cannon rejects efforts by special counsel Jack Smith to fast-track the classified documents trial for the summer, that case could also remain unresolved by the time voters cast their ballots. Trump is facing roughly a half dozen civil and criminal cases that could drain his finances and take up his time as the campaign gets underway. But if Willis is pulled off the Fulton County case this week, that could hand Trump a major win that could pull one of the cases off his plate before the election. Sarah Bedford for the Washington Examiner.